Families of children with autism and other complex disabilities are challenged to find resources. In response to that need, New York's Centers of Excellence have been established to provide excellence in support, excellence in care, excellence in advocacy, all supported by cutting-edge research. Welcome to the Centers of Excellence.
I believe the main aim of the Center of Excellence is really to help Office of People with Developmental Disabilities, the State Education Department of New York State, as well as thousands upon thousands of families and children who have autism spectrum disorders, to really understand the complexity in this disorder.
The Centers of Excellence are independent, nonprofit, and dedicated to providing children with autism and complex disabilities with evidence-based treatment and the best resources to live happy, full, productive lives.
I think what's not understood are all the other co-occurring medical conditions that come along with the autism, such as the sleep disorders, the seizure disorders, the gastrointestinal problems, the immune deficits, the metabolic issues. Those are the kind of things that physicians don't quite understand yet. It's the total package.
I think what sets the Centers of Excellence apart is our ability to collaborate on so many levels. We collaborate with some of the best doctors, psychiatrists, gastrointestinal specialists in the state.
We needed help to help Joe at that time in his life and for his future.
The Centers of Excellence are a valuable resource for policymakers working in areas that directly affect these children. They are also developing tools for clinicians to provide children and families with new, effective, and accurate screening tools and evidence-based treatments.
I think families come in so stressed out. They haven't slept. They've been doing this by themselves for so long, and we have a team of people 24 hours a day, and we're going to help now.
We use interventions and treatments that are supported by science to help kids to grow into young adults with the skills to be active members of the community.
They gave us the opportunity to reach out to people who had experience. They were able to help us essentially raise our child. I mean, they say it takes a village to raise a child. To raise a special needs child with so many challenges, it takes even more than that.
So our goal is to make sure that every child moves forward, that every child is healthy, and that in partnership with their families, we're able to help that child to succeed.
I think we're right on the brink of really bringing hard science and the people that we need together to really help these families and ultimately help these children.
I felt that from day one, Kevin was helped, he was taught, and Kevin had great opportunities in life that otherwise he wouldn't have.
Through the Centers of Excellence, families receive exactly what a child with autism and other complex disabilities deserves: excellence in navigating the complexity of autism. Welcome to the Centers of Excellence.
Great people, a lot of great people are in that program, and they made a difference on my life just as much as they did on Joseph's, and the people that, because you see them and their heart's in the right place.
The center had given my son a life, the best life I could ever dream for him. And for that, my family and I will be forever grateful.